In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to circle a word in Google Docs. If you've ever wanted to highlight a single word in a document by circling it, Google Docs makes this easy with a quick built-in tool. Start by opening Google Docs, either with a new blank document or an existing file you want to edit. Make sure your word is already typed out so you can place the circle precisely where you want it. Next, head to the top menu and go to Insert, then choose Drawing and select New. This opens a small drawing workspace right inside Docs. In this window, click the Shape button, then choose the Oval option. The oval shape is what we'll use to create the circle effect around your word. Click and drag on the drawing canvas to create your oval. Don't worry about making it perfect on the first try, you can adjust it. When the oval appears, use the corner handles to resize it and the side handles to fine-tune its height and width. Your goal is to make the oval just big enough to frame the word you want to emphasize once it's placed in your document. If you need a little more precision while adjusting, zooming in can help you line things up cleanly. When you're happy with the general size, click on the oval to make sure it's selected. Now you're ready to place it over your text. Once the oval is in your document, you want it to sit under the letters so the word stays visible. To do that, select the oval and set its placement to behind text. This setting ensures the circle doesn't cover the word and lets you position it freely without pushing your text around. After it's behind the text, drag the oval so it neatly surrounds the word you want to highlight. Take a moment to check the spacing all the way around the word. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how clean it looks. If you find it difficult to get the positioning just right with the mouse, nudging gently can help you dial it in. That's all it takes. You opened Google Docs, inserted a new drawing, added an oval shape, adjusted it to fit your word, click to select it, and set it behind the text so the word remains readable. With these steps, you can clearly draw attention to important terms, labels, or key ideas in your document in a way that looks polished and intentional.